5. In January 2024, we came together at L20 ground, mourning 3 tragic suicides on campus. The protest highlighted our shared struggles, mental health, disciplinary actions, and faculty conduct.
Through hours of dialogue, the promises for change emerged, with the director affirming various initiatives. A candle march here at OIT brought us together with the vibrant flames symbolizing our unity, resilience, and hope for a brighter future.
Working towards a brighter future, IIT Kanpur, in collaboration with Oxiso, has secured a patent for innovative wastewater treatment, marking a pivotal step towards sustainability.
Further, the Women's Cell was renamed to Gender Cell, embracing inclusivity and fostering a more equitable campus environment.
Galaxy, which continued to be a banger in 2024 as well, was scrapped after the Student Senate failed to pass the post-conduction report. While the key issue behind this was incorrect hall assignments, some pools claimed there was clear hall favoritism, while others argued that the objections were raised too late or out of malice.
IITK just created India's first hyper-velocity expansion and test tunnel facility, which they call Jigar Thanda.
Well, the actual name of the facility is RIS2, which is basically a place for scientists to simulate super high speeds. Also, did you know what happened in Techkriti?
Yeah, the Stampede, man. That crowd almost got them to miss Thomas' performance.
Damn, all of this happened in just 2 months.
And don't forget, all 14 has a mess now.
So April started with a game of musical chairs in the Student Senate. Miss Vijaya Mishra, a PG student, was elected as the new chairperson. However, a no-confidence motion was passed against her, which led to her impeachment. This created chaos in the Student Senate. This music was put on hold when Siddhant Chakotia was elected as the new chairperson in summer. Another major event witnessed was Dr. Manindra Agrawal taking charge as our new director.
With that, we wrap April, now moving on to May. Campus cycle shops, a staple for our students, were served an eviction notice in June, leaving both the vendors and the community in distress. Thereafter, moving on to statistics, we had IIT Kanpur securing the 259th position in the QS Worldwide University rankings. June ended up on a high note with the graduating batch celebrating the iconic Hall 1 Ki Barat, the campus tradition gaining widespread fame on social media.
This year, the freshers are welcomed by esteemed Adam Philip. For the people hoping for the academic comeback, if a leopard can come back, why can't you? IIT Kanpur has maintained its fifth position in the overall category of the NILF rankings. However, it has experienced a significant drop in the innovation category, falling from first position in 2023 to fifth position in 2024. On the eve of Independence Day, a silent march symbolizing women reclaiming the night was carried out in response to the beat at RGKar Medical College, Great Mutton Lakes. The dramatic slum of IIT Kanpur, Fursan Monday, was set to perform its street play titled Asteen Ka Saap, which has been showcased multiple times on campus and in competitions. However, when the club attempted to stage it this time, the administration prohibited its performance to preserve campus safety. Going old school, Box delivered printed newsletters to the freshies at their doorstep.
Stepping into the final month of the year, IIT Kanpur witnessed its 65th Foundation Day, with Defence Minister of India Rajnath Singh being the chief guest of honor.
In December, IIT Kanpur got the opportunity to host the Inter-IIT Sports Meet, subsequently scoring the 5th position in the sports meet, the 6th in the tech, and the position in the culturals is yet to be decided.
We also saw multiple eviction calls being issued for the dhobis at the campus who had been residing at the campus since the beginning of the institute. Multiple eviction calls and TRIs made this very saddening state.
Switching to the positive side, we also saw the introduction of golf carts in the campus for movement facilitation.
We also saw a historic 150 IPRs being issued in the campus.
And at the very last, we saw phase 1 of the placement sessions with 1109 offers being given to the students. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we wind up the year in review 2024. Thanks a lot.